Hello viewers, and welcome to a new video. In this video, I will explain how to get Evernote Premium for free. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to help me make more videos like this. First go to Settings and go to General. Then go to Background, refresh, and turn this off. Then open the Evernote app. Then you will see that you have many different options. Take a look around and also check if all your details are correct. And if this is all correct, we can continue. Then click on Continue at Scope a Trial Version, and then you will see that thanks to all these tricks, you have now received a free 7-day trial period. Thanks for watching.